This is the AmazerBath 10-inch Squeegee. Let's take it out of the bag. In the bag you find instructions for the hook and not the squeegee, because you kind of don't need instructions for that. It just tells you how to put the adhesive on, how to stick it up for best adhesion. There's a pad already on there, plus they give you a replacement as well. So that's that, and then that would hang on your wall or something like that, and the squeegee can hang right in there. Let's take a better look at the squeegee itself. It has a plastic handle, so that's nice, and it's a comfortable grip on it, ergonomically designed. 10-inch wide blade, silicone. Look how soft and bendable. Really nice. You can run it against your hand like that, and you can see how it will conform to it. It's a breeze to use. It just glides real easy. Let's go ahead and test this out. Now, I'm going to give you a real-world example in just a minute, but I just wanted to show you this, which I thought was interesting. Top of my washing machine, you can see I have a nice puddle of water right there, and this surface is concave. Let's give it a shot. Now, it's going to take a couple of passes due to the amount of water. But the dry section's right there, just like that. Perfectly dry. How about a foggy mirror? That ought to do. And I'm just going to hold it so it doesn't go anywhere. Take a look at that. That worked real well. I'm also going to get some glass cleaner while I'm at it. That did an absolutely superb job. You can use this on shower doors, glass, mirrors, tile, anything like that. So once again, this was the AmazerBath 10-inch Squeegee. This also is available in white and black in addition to gray. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.